and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the Bemonew Car Window Vent, a solar-powered fan designed to keep your vehicle cool and fresh. If you've ever stepped into a car that's been parked in the sun, you know the struggle. The heat is unbearable, and the stale air can be suffocating. This product promises to solve that with a clever combination of solar power, battery backup, and USB connectivity. So, let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's talk about the build quality. The fan is made from durable ABS plastic, which feels solid and sturdy. The solar panel on top is efficient and well designed, so even on cloudy days, it can still gather some power. The overall construction suggests it can withstand daily use and the harsh conditions inside a car, like extreme temperatures and UV exposure. One of the standout features is the 3 independent fan switches. Each fan can be controlled separately, so you can choose to run just 1, 2, or all 3, depending on your needs. This is great for customizing airflow. Whether you want a gentle breeze or a full blast, you're in control. Speaking of airflow, the fans are pretty powerful. They use a 180-degree wide-angle suction that pulls in fresh air and pushes out hot air, odors, and even smoke. The result is noticeably better air circulation inside the vehicle. I tested this on a hot day, and after just a few minutes, the cabin felt more comfortable and less stuffy. Now let's talk about power options. This is where the product really shines. You can run it on solar power alone when parked in the sun, which is perfect for keeping the car ventilated while you're away. But it also comes with a rechargeable battery. Though the product description doesn't specify the capacity, from my testing it lasted several hours, and a USB port, so you can plug it into your car's charger or a power bank. This versatility means you can use it not just when parked, but also while driving, if you need extra ventilation. Installation is a breeze. There are no tools required. The fan simply hooks over your car window, and the suction cups hold it securely in place. I was worried about damage to the window or paint, but the design is clever and non-invasive. It fits most vehicles, whether you have a sedan, SUV, or even a truck. One thing to note is that this fan won't cool your car like an air conditioner. It's more about ventilation and air circulation, but it definitely helps remove heat buildup and improves air quality. In the summer, using it can make a significant difference in the temperature and freshness of your car's interior. Overall, the Bemonew Car Window Vent is a well-engineered product that offers great value. It's portable, easy to use, and provides multiple power options, making it a smart investment for anyone who wants to beat the heat and keep their car smelling fresh. Whether you're a commuter, a parent, or someone who loves road trips, this fan is a game changer. If you're interested, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Hope you found this review helpful. Stay cool out there, and see you in the next video.